Hi K2B. This video is to show you how you can use your lively letter cards at home to practice your letter sounds and try to sound out words. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is cut these lively letter cards out. You should have an adult help you with this if you're not super good with scissors yet, because we're still learning and you don't want to accidentally cut through one of them. Once you have them cut out, you can go ahead and get started. So just like we've done in class, you can start with an ending sound that's part of a word family. For this example, I'm going to be using AT, which is the at word family. And you're going to want to change the beginning sound and practice sounding out those words. So I could start with the letter C, and I could sound this out, and it would say k-at, cat. And then if I already figured that word out and I wanted to try something else, I could switch the beginning sound to a different letter. So I've changed it from C to R. So instead of k-at, it would be rat. Okay? So you can play around with that and have a good time and learn a couple new words. Now you might be wondering, what about these ones? What are these for, Miss Gaylord? So, when we're sounding out words, we're really just practicing the letter sounds. We're not always looking for it to be a real word that would be in a book. So, if you were to sound out a word that isn't really a word, you might want to say, is this an alien word or a person word? And you could put one of these next to the word that you've created to help you remember. It's almost like a little game. You could play alien or person, and you can sound out different words, and you have to think, is this a person word or an alien word? So you should be using your lively letter cards to sound out and practice your letter sounds 3 times a week for homework. And I've also sent home your sight words. I want you guys to be practicing these just about every day with an adult, okay? And if you already know all these, if these are super easy for you, you can try to put them in different orders to write sentences. I've seen a couple of friends trying that, and I think that's super cool. So I just wanted to make this short little video to show you guys how you can use these things that I've sent home so that you can continue working on everything that we're working on in school at home. All right, see you later.